You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly. For more confusing names, including from the series Kimetsu no Yaiba, make sure to stay tuned. We're gonna have more character names that you wanna pronounce correctly. So for reference, let's start with the Japanese pronunciation. Yoriichi, Yoriichi, Yoriichi Tsugikuni, Tsugikuni, Yoriichi Tsugikuni. That's your reference for Japanese. Now in English, if you cannot pronounce Japanese perfectly, you can say it as Yoriichi, Yoriichi, it's easy, Tsugikuni, Tsugikuni, Yoriichi Tsugikuni, Yoriichi Tsugikuni. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.